دووبارە بە خێراتنی هەموو لایەکەکەم بە خێراتنتانەکەم بۆ ئامادەبوانێسش من وتارێک بە زمانی ئینگلیزی سەبارە بە سەردەشت عوسمان. Today is the 14th anniversary of the murder of Sardasht Usman. He was an Erbil-based journalist and was killed for his 348 words satire titled "I am in love with Barzani's daughter," in which he compared how vastly different his life would be as a member of the Barzani family, notorious for its vast wealth and corruption. When I become the son-in-law of Barzani, the wedding night will be in Paris, and we will visit the palace of our uncle for several days in the United States. He wrote during a provocative contrast between Barzani's opulent lifestyle and that of ordinary Kurdish. He compares the Barzani family's life to that of an ordinary Kurdish citizen. After getting many threats, he published another 2 articles entitled "Neither the President nor his daughter are God," and "The first ring for my death has been built." On 4th of May 2010, he was abducted in Erbil to be killed in Mosul the day after. The killing of this 23-year-old journalist caused outrage in Kurdistan and mass demonstration followed, calling on security authority to unveil the detail about what happened to him. All the accusing fingers were pointed at the KDP's intelligence services Palestine. After 14 years, we still have the same demands that we had in the early days after his murder, and we insist on upholding Sardasht's right and bringing the true killers to trial. We will not be silent and will not give up until the day that there is an independent and neutral court in this country that punishes the true killers instead of patsies. Many thanks.